Neck pain is something we all have to deal with on a daily basis. Whether it's from extended work hours or a bad posture during sleep, pain in the neck is bad enough to ruin your day. But it won't be the case anymore after you watching this video. In this video, we will give you a genuinely independent review of NeckMassager. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. What is NeckMassager? Neck Relax is a NeckMassager, which can be placed around the neck and provides a so-called relief massage. This results in pain relief, which is of course all the more beneficial if you look at the whole thing in the long term. Most patients do not need to take painkillers after working with Neck Relax. Advantages of NeckMassager. Healing takes place by means of infrared technology. The Neck Relax has a particularly easy handling. 6 different programs are available. It is flexible and ergonomic, so it adapts perfectly to the conditions. There are 16 different forms of intensity that you can use. It is ideal for the back and neck area. How to set up NeckMassager. The problem we often see with a lot of modern gadgets is that they can be difficult to use, especially the first time. Because NeckMassager has made an effort to offer simple and effective massage, it is easy to use from the moment you open it. When the AA batteries are inserted, the control panel is easy to understand, and the changeable settings couldn't be simpler. The best approach is to play around with the intensity and the temperature to find the right settings that suit your needs and know you can change them anytime. Why you should buy NeckMassager. NeckMassager uses the most advanced technology. Any neck massager that just prods your body is not worth purchasing. Times have changed, and thankfully, a lot of modern gadgets have kept up. Because the people behind NeckMassager understand what the body needs, they have included an infrared technology to warm and stimulate the area for massaging, so the combination of magnets and vibrations can alleviate pain. NeckMassager is great for circulation. When you rub your neck, hoping for a bit of relief from an ache or pain, there is no notable difference. It is important to get the blood flowing so you can feel more like yourself. NeckMassager targets certain areas around the neck to ensure the pressure points are treated, leaving you feeling brand new. The tactical pressure creates microcirculation, which is great for improving overall blood circulation and relax the muscles around the neck. NeckMassager has so many functions. Regular neck massagers that you can use at home are very limited in what they can offer. Usually, they just vibrate in the same way, which doesn't target different areas and can get boring pretty quickly. Because modern technology allows it to offer more, NeckMassager has 6 different functions. Incredibly comfortable. When you picture a relaxing massage, you are lying face down and feel as relaxed as you receive the pressure. This is where NeckMassager does well to replicate a true massage. Because it fits easily around the neck, you can use it whilst sitting or lying in any position. This means you can use it on your terms. Whilst watching TV, resting in bed or as a passenger in a car, it works in any location. Why we like NeckMassager so much. When your neck is feeling off, the problem is typically tension in the muscles that surround the vertebrae in your neck. NeckMassager is a state-of-the-art portable neck pain massager. This small device eliminates muscle tension and relaxes your vertical spine. Feels better than a massage. NeckMassager is both innovative and very effective. Without being too technical, NeckMassager uses not 1, but 3 effective tension, pain and stress relief methods. First, it uses infrared heat. Professional athletes use this method for healing sore and injured muscles. It improves circulation under your skin and focuses important oxygen and nutrients to injured tissues, promoting healing. It helps ease pain, relieves inflammation, and protect against oxidative stress. Wrap up. As you could see from our short product descriptions, finding the best massager for neck pain can be quite difficult if you don't know what to look for. There are many models that look similar, and some of them even use the same type of features. However, not all of them are the same. They might use similar features, but some of them perform better than others. We're sure that once you start using one of the top models we presented in our NeckMassager reviews, your pain and aches will gradually disappear. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the NeckMassager, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.